Alright guys, so we are starting this video inside because it's freaking cold. But we got the Go Power Sports box for the unboxing for the Blue Mini Bikes parts. The most important part, we got stickers. Got black ones, I got a bunch of these. I like how they're starting to do more styles. We got a stage 1 kit, no exhaust, but I like to make my exhaust custom, and I have a buddy that is going to cut out all the flanges. I got more bubble wrap. A bunch of stuff in here though, so I will open it in a second. But we'll go to the other thing in the box. This is that, and there's one other thing. I got chopper handles, or 8 hangers, whatever you want to call them. They will have to get painted because they are raw metal. But, which is kind of nice, I like that Go Power Sports did that because, for the fact of, then I can do custom colors and not be painting over paint. I can self-etching primer and everything. Oh, it packed it all together. We got a brake bracket for Josh. Shh, don't tell him. We gotta surprise him. You know, it's Christmas time. At least when I'm filming this. And then, what the heck are these? Oh, I know what these are. We gotta open these. These are really important for that last item. Not that one. The first item, really, and the second item. The handlebars, the 8 hangers. We're gonna open one, is all. Because they're both the same thing. We got handlebar mounts, so because we're custom making our little things, so we're gonna custom put these in, bolt them, so we can clamp them down. Sick. Got 2 of those. And then we got a brake caliper. Finally got one of these for the mini bike. It should work much, much better than braking onto one of these. And it's thinner, so I have a little bit more space. We'll have to be cutting off that bracket later, so eventually I will be cutting it off and putting this on. I got it because they were actually in stock. And then I also got Josh a new sprocket for his thing, because he's planning on going disc brake. This is a little bit bigger sprocket than what he had on it, by like 4 teeth or so. A little bit bigger, so it's going to have a little bit more low end, because he does have huge tires, and he was looking up wheels, and he might go bigger wheels, so, you know. So he's going to go brake on this side, so we can go hydraulic brake on this side, clutch, sprocket. So yeah, these are Josh's parts. Merry Christmas, Josh. But yeah, let's just jump right to it, where we're going to go install the 8 hangers, and these on the bike, we're going to make those hangers.
Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed that video. We got the mini bike back as a roller. The front end is, for the most part, complete. Yes, it needs to get painted and finished, grinding it nice and smooth and everything. But it's a roller. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel. Go out and go find your passion.